Let's send it out to Bianca Saldua.
Maraming salamat, Noel. Isa lamang ang hinihingi ni Coach Rico sa kanyang Philippine Army at ito ay ipatuloy-tuloy lang nila ang good performance nila. At syempre naman ay huwag mo-pressure sa kabilang team at gumiting pa sila para hindi ito ang do or die set, kundi ang 5th set pa. As for Smart Maynilad, iklan na natin ang pakiramdam ni Coach Roger at tawagin na natin assistant coach na ito si Kestini na ang gusto nila ay mangyari ngayon sa 4th set ay tulad ng sinasabi palagi sa Mortal Kombat, finish this natin. Dahil makikita natin na lumalakas ang momentum ng Army. Back to you, Noel and Michelle.
It's usually finish him or finish her. Ito ngayon, tignan natin kung matatapos nila. They're up by 1 to Smart Maynilad. Bautista. And Bautista ties it up at 8. Here's Bunag. Paggitna mo si Sue. Alyssa on the attack. Balse. And Balse will miss. 9-8, Smart Maynilad. And Ruby De Leon ngayon to serve. Nunag. Salak. Balse. Gohing. De Leon. Alyssa. Alyssa, corner pocket.
Ngayon, kailangan magtulungan ng Smart Maynila dahil itong Army, they're working as a team.
Right. And they are down by 2 though. Let's take a look at the slow motion replay brought to us by Rexona Anti-Perspirant Deodorant. It won't let you down. Corner na corner. Kuwang-kuha ni Alyssa.
Sukat na sukat ang San Juan Arena Gym.
Ruby. Nene. Balse. Going now for Soltones. Soltones turned back by Salak. Soltones one more time. Bunag. Salak will drop. Going is there. De Leon, quick set. Suroses. Balse. Bautista into the net. Ruby ngayon to serve. Micasa's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Nice serve by Ruby. And kept alive by Gonzaga. Bautista off the block. De Leon. Alyssa. Across kayo. Papunta kay Soltones. Nice block there by Salak and Balse.
Getcha Soltones, pinipilit niyang ilakas ang bola, Noel.
Mismatch yun. Oh, service ace coming from Nene. Nene Bautista, taga Iloilo po. Dami lang si Gonzaga nag-aaral sa Iloilo. Ito si Nene, University of San Agustin in Iloilo. And Alyssa Valdez gets that one through. Bautista, of course, many times represented the Philippines in beach volleyball as well. Balse, nice dig there, coming from Cotruwang. Soltones, Balse, Salak, back to Ging. And Ging cross court, nahawakan ba? Check ball.
I saw her hand, medyo malayo nga naman.
12-11. Baka next year ma-introduce na yung ating video challenge. Di ba ginagawa na sa FIVB yun eh? Balse, that one is no challenge.
Inside na inside.
Cassini on the bench, you can see on your screens.
Get it back!
Shouting out instructions as well. De Leon, quick set. Alyssa, yes.
Outside, sabi ng Philippine Army.
Hindi.
Cassini now in front.
Dakis adjusting off the hands of Valdez. Cassini now, sending it to Maruban Atikla. Hindi na kinuha ng pangalawang beses ni Tina Salak. Salak. Running attack. Cassini finds the corner. Good call by the linesman.
Check ball.
Pasok pa rin eh. Kahit na check ball.
Double jeopardy.
Oo. 14-13, yeah.
Full front line na ito, Noel, para sa Smart tsaka sa Philippine Army.
Alyssa with a good serve. Here's Jovelyn Gonzaga. Kept alive by Cotruwang. Cotruwang now attacking. Daga by Bunag. It goes back. Set up ni Banatikla. De Leon. Nuna, great dig. Here's Dakis. Hahanap ng net violation dito ang Army. Gonzaga now. Ito Balse, lusot sa lahat. Grabe nila narunig yung Balse bigla rin sa paghahabol ng Army. 10 years ago, siya yung unang MVP. Look at that, she's still here. Ruby. Oh, Was that out? It was out. And Cassini is now glaring at the linesman. 16-13 Army.
Kumanda kayo sa paggagamit